I'm a dancing penguin. Pingu voiceovers. Pingu catch. Okay. Oh my gosh. Pingu, why did you do that? Psh. Oh, what the frick? What the? Oh my gosh. Pingu, you shouldn't do that. You're gonna get grounded. Just leave it alone, Pingu. Oh, it's still play, Pingu. Come on, come on. Oh gosh! Pingu, you idiot! Bye, Pingu. Oh my gosh. I have to fix it. It's nothing, Pingu. It's nothing. What is it? This. Pingu, you're grounded forever. You're not coming with us. Since you're grounded, you're staying. Okay. Bye forever. Okay. Well. What the boing? Oh my gosh, I have to get the kit. Okay, this is better. Looks and new. Oh my gosh, come the. Oh gosh, I have to get it fixed. I'm gonna go to Penguin Shop that have doorbells. Hey, sir. Ring. Oh, hey, Pingu. What's up? I want this. Hey now, you're a rock star. Oh my gosh. I want this. Ring. It's like a train. Wow. A star. And this. What the? Holy. I want to get that. Oh, it's for free. Here's one fish. Okay, thanks, sir. Okay, thanks, kid. Thanks. You're welcome, sir. Oh. Hope this works. What? I'm making a video. Don't stop interrupting me. I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna turn some Godzilla music. Hey now. Turn some Godzilla music. Oh my gosh. Hey, stop. Answer the phone. Brother Robbie picture. Stop, dude. Okay. Never mind. I'm just gonna go. Oh, the kitchen. Boom beam, boom beam, boom boom. Oh, wait a second. Is that Pingu? It's big. No, take that back, Pingu. Oh, shut up. Should I take it back? Yes, take it back. Ring. Sir, this doorbell is broken. It doesn't work anymore. No, don't. Oh well, here you go. I have some replacements to fix it. How about you can fix that? Bye. Bye. Good as new. Ring. Woo, Pingu. Good boy. Holy. So, hey guys. Pingu, you shouldn't do that. Sorry. I want to play catch with Pingu, but you can. Well, what the? No, dude. Oh. Pingu, what did Mom tell you about stealing my bunny? Hey, Grab, what the? Sorry. Bye, sled. Hey, I'm gonna tell on you. Charles, stop doing that. Sorry. Ha. Pingu. voiceovers.